What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are all doing okay. Today I wanted to talk to you about one of the best products you could have in your kitchen for things like meal prep and sticking to your meal plan or diet plan. The thing we're talking about today is an air fryer. We've got one right here, and this thing realistically has completely changed the way I go about meal prepping. We're able to make certain recipes, certain things in our meal plan that are faster, they're easier, and it cuts down on the fats that are in most recipes if you just make a few tweaks and make it with the air fryer. So let me show you guys just how cool this thing is, what it can do, and maybe you guys consider getting one for yourself. I know it will help you out tremendously. So the brand that we've got here, the one that we've got here is called the Power Air Fryer. I'll link this one down in the description below where you can pick it up on Amazon. Also link a few different brands you can pick up. There's all kinds of brands out there that make air fryers. They all pretty much have the same relative design. You're gonna find differences here and there. For this one, you notice on the front panel here, we've got a whole bunch of buttons, a digital display on the Power Air Fryer. They don't all have the exact same settings, of course, but they're all pretty similar. Now, usually what you're gonna get is a deep bucket or something like this that you put your food into, and all you're gonna do is stuff it in there, hit the program. You're gonna set the temperature and the time for each recipe. It's gonna show up right here, and it just starts cooking. The awesome thing about the air fryer, one of the awesome things, is how fast it can cook all kinds of different things. You can cook meat in this, of course, things like French fries, potatoes, all different things that you want to fry up. But with the biggest benefit is you don't have to have all the oil, all the fats and extra calories that come with fried foods usually. So on this one right here, the cool thing about this air fryer is you've got all kinds of different settings. So you got the French fry one, certain meats, you've got shrimp, cake. You can bake in this thing. You may just have to buy like a pan or something that fits into your bucket. But you got a cake button, just goes right into that. We got chicken, things like beef, and then a fish setting. There are thousands of recipes that you can cook in an air fryer very, very easily. So let me talk you guys through just a few of the features on this. Now, again, like I said, on this one, you've got an 8-inch pan. They make them where they're either bigger or smaller. You can get all kinds of different types of air fryers. For me, just let's go for an example of French fries. Most recipes out there, when you're cooking French fries or frying them, you're gonna dump them in a whole bunch of oil. And it's going to add a ton of fat, a ton of calories. Usually what we're used to when we eat some French fries, we're used to being a cheat meal or something along those lines, high calorie. Cool thing about an air fryer, what's awesome, what's going to save you in your meal plan is you don't have to use any oil if you don't want to. Now, if you want to use a little bit of spray, we use something like a coconut oil spray or a vegetable oil spray, any of those. And this one is 0 calories. That's why we usually use this coconut oil one. You just throw your food in there, so like potatoes, just sliced potatoes, give it a quick spray on the potatoes, and then you're just gonna put this in there and hit the French fry setting, and it's going to start. And it starts cooking, and as soon as it's done, it beeps. You pull it out, and you've got excellent French fries. These things taste amazing. I've actually found, though, that you can get a pretty good consistency without any oil. You don't necessarily have to put oil onto the things to make them fry up or have a crispy texture. It's still going to get super hot. It's still going to fry the things, the food that you're cooking, and taste amazing at the same time with much, much lower calories. I don't know about you, but if you can get food to taste good without extra calories, I'm all for that. Whatever device it takes to do that. Pick yourself up one of these. I know you guys will love to have yourself an air fryer. Again, I will link a bunch of different brands in the description below so you guys can go pick yourselves up one. And I know you're going to enjoy it. Give me a comment if you'd like to see some recipes that we can make with an air fryer that really makes it feel like we're cheating on our diet, cheating on our meal plans, but in reality we're not. It's sticking with our macros and really helping us to get in the best shape of our life while enjoying it at the same time. So let me know if you guys want to see any videos like that. I've got a number of recipes that I know I make for myself and my wife, so we can share those with you guys if you'd like to see them. If you found value out of this, if you'd like to see more of it, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification over on the right hand side. That way you can get notified when we make more of these videos. Also, give me a thumbs up if you liked this and if you found value in it. Guys, I hope to see you next time. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you.